Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, Hate Share Scribe Comment if you need to. Links for things or where I keep that linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I came out here to make sure everything was draining correctly. It wasn't. It was raining so hard. How hard was it raining? It was raining so darned hard that they started separating. This end was floating up, still trapped under there, but it was floating up and above it. Made a cavitation in it. I dug this down a little deeper. It rained really, really hard, and it flooded again. So, one section at a time, clean up the ends, glue it back together, and lay it all back down.